Beginner's Guide to Affiliate Marketing to help you get started. If the thought of selling other people's products for a living makes you giddy, but you don't know where to begin, you are in the right place. Affiliate marketing is exciting. After watching these informative tips, you will have an understanding of how to go about becoming an affiliate marketer. If one affiliate program doesn't work for you, try another one. The various programs are not all the same. They offer different products, services, and payment. Some allow more freedom and flexibility, such as color and design, to help match your site better. Finally, you can even see if your favorite vendor or store has its own affiliate program. Mix and match until you find a program that fits your needs. Make sure you have a strategy before you get into affiliate marketing. You want to prepare a plan of what types of products you want to have available and how you are going to attract attention to your webpage. You can't expect to just make a webpage and that people will just find it. Plan things out and it should help with bringing people to your webpage. Look for companies that are willing to pay extra for your time spent. Some affiliate businesses expect you to design the marketing tools you will be using to get them buyers. Finding a business that is willing to pay you for the extra efforts is quite a bonus. If you are spending your time for their sales, you should be paid for it. To get the most out an affiliate marketing arrangement, you have to be sure your website is advertising the right products. This often comes down to cost, especially in the case of affiliates who pay you on commission. The $75-$100 range is where affiliate commissions really start to pay off for small website owners. If you plan on using affiliate marketing to support your income, be sure to analyze your expectations. Affiliate marketing can earn a decent income, but it will not make you rich. If you devote part-time working hours to it, expect to make a couple $100s a month. If you work full-time at affiliate marketing, you could make around $30,000 to $40,000 a year. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, use common sense to avoid scams. If the parent company for the affiliate network has a website riddled with errors and missing pages, or even worse, doesn't have a website at all, look elsewhere. Any legitimate affiliate program will have a professionally built and high-quality homepage for their users. You don't have to limit yourself to just making one website, expand your profit potential. If you start to see success after your first website, then make another website and double your profit potential on a monthly basis. Plus, after you make your first website and go through all the procedures of getting into affiliate marketing, it should be easier to make another because you're already familiar with the process. You can sell for others and you can make a nice living doing it. Now that you are armed with the very knowledge that you need to become an affiliate marketer, go ahead and dip your big toe in the affiliate marketing pool and don't be afraid to get wet. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.